Hello, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we have another video that is a tutorial. This is a housing tutorial. I've recorded this like 3 times already because the end recording has been flashing. It's been doing what that in the die tutorial, it was like the flashing thing. I didn't like it, so I'm just displaying my whole screen just because it's something with the full screen. I don't know, I'll figure it out. Anyways, this tutorial is how to make the when you break a block, it shows plus whatever, and then shows an animation and shows total gain. So like every block you break, it multiplies it. Yeah, pretty cool. This was requested by Deetster, I believe, I think. So, yeah, here we go. I'd say this is actually a pretty mid tutorial. If you don't know how to do this, thank you for coming here because I need viewers. I need likes. If this helps at all, please subscribe because 350 subscribers soon, question mark, and 10 likes, okay? These are all the stats you're going to be using. Coin/block is how much the player gets every block. You can have it be any currency, whether that's gold every block or coins, rubies, anything. EXP/block is how much experience the player gets every block. Break is the seconds after the player breaks a block. You'll see, it's for the animation thing. Coin B is useful, XP B is useful. Okay. Go into your housing menu, go into systems and functions, and create a function. You're going to go into that function and create a conditional. In that conditional, you're going to check if break is greater than or equal to 1. If it is, you're going to have the stat break decrease by 1. And in the else actions, you're going to have coins increase by coin B, XP increase by XP B, and coin B set to 0 and XP B set to 0. Then add another conditional, have if break is equal to 3. If it is, play a sound. It doesn't matter what sound. I have note playing. You can copy it if you want. And have a title. For this title, I have 3 lines and 8. And 8 is dark gray, so that's why it's for the animation. Fade in 0, fade out 0, stay, doesn't matter. Go into the next conditional. Have break is equal to 2. If it is equal to 2, then you're going to play a sound, same sound, different sound, doesn't matter, and display a title. In this title, I have 2 lines instead of 3 and a light gray instead of dark gray. So it's, yeah. Fade in 0, fade out 0, stay for 2 seconds. In the last conditional, we're going to check if the player's stat break is equal to 1. If their stat break is equal to 1, you're going to play a sound. I play the same sound, doesn't matter. And you're going to have another animation title thing, and F is white, and it's just 1 bar, so animation thing. Fade in 0, fade out 0, stay for 5 seconds. Display title? No, this is not display title. You're going to pause execution for 20 ticks, which is 1 second. And then you're going to play a sound. I have random level up. You can have whatever you want. And then you're going to display a title. I have total gained I have the words total gained in light green, bold light green. So, and A is light green, and then and L is bold. So, bold light green. For the subtitle, you're going to have something with coin B and XPB. Well, with %stat.player/ and then XPB % or coin B %. Fade in 0, fade out 0, and stay for 3 seconds. Actually, you could have a fade out for 1 or 2 seconds. That looks smooth, actually. And that is it for the first thing, for the function. When you break a block, it does absolutely nothing, as you can tell. So, to fix that, go into housing menu, systems, event actions, and player break block. I have 2 conditionals because there's 2 blocks over there. There's 2 blocks right here. There's a stone block. What is that? stone block and block of coal. That's not a block of coal. That's a coal ore. Okay, coal ore and stone block. So because I have two, it's the same code, just a different block. Just go into go add a conditional and check if the block type. So I have coal ore. If it's coal ore, so if the player breaks a coal ore block, it's gonna have break set to 6, the stat break set to 6, and coin B increased by coin/block, and XPB increased by EXP/block. Then you display a title. Since I'm mining, I'm gonna have it say mining in light green bold, or lime bold, I guess, and subtitle just %stat.player/coinb and %stat.player/xpb. Fade in 0, fade out 1, and stay for 2 seconds or 3. Is that it? Let me check. That's it. Okay, when you break a block, it works. Actually, technically it actually won't work yet until it's only gonna be showing 0 because your coin/block and XP/block aren't set to anything. So you can either have it so when a player holds an item, it increases the stat coin/block or EXP/block by whatever one time. So then when they break a block, it increases it by, or you could just create a region and do from here to the other area, and when the player enters, it gives them coin/block. So then when they break it, it does that. Or if you don't know how to do any code, I don't actually have the code to check if the player's holding an item and increases it right now. I just have stats. So for the stats, I just have a function going every 4 ticks that has coin/block set to 9 and EXP set to 7. That's a pretty lame way, but this is just for the tutorial, just because if you want any more other tutorials, join the Discord, please. And if this helped, please like. 10 likes, question mark. 350 subs when? That's a good question. 10 likes, question mark. What am I doing? I'm so weird.